Sean.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Nancy D. Gapan, your Assessment Center Manager from Severo High School Training Center. And I would like to acknowledge our TESTA representative, Ms. Ali, and our competency assessor, Ms. Marjorie. Okay, Ms. Here are the forms. One assessor guide, two rating sheets, two attendance sheets, two specific instructions, two application forms, and the two competency assessment results.
Good morning, everyone. I am Marjorie Bascania, an accredited TESTA competency assessor for basic production NC2. And here is my assessor's ID. For your reference, welcome to Pinaglaban National High School Assessment Center. Today, assessment will last for 4 hours. 2 days ago, I inspected our assessment area to check readiness and OSH compliance. Everything is ready. Before we proceed, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Mr. and Miss Annie and Alison, and our assessment center manager, and also Miss from the TESDA Provincial Office. They are here to monitor the assessment and not to assess you. As I call your name, please bring your admission slip and valid ID to sign the attendance sheet. Miss and also Ma'am Vida. I have your application form and self-assessment guide, which indicates readiness to perform competencies. This assessment will determine your competency level according to the TESTA standard. Presentation production NC2 has basic, common, and core competencies. Today's core competencies are prepare and produce bakery products, prepare and produce pastry products, prepare and present textures and cakes, prepare and display petit pours, and present dessert. For today's assessment, you will prepare soft roll, chicken cake, Swiss roll, and petit pours. You will be given 4 hours to complete this task. Assessment methods are the following: demonstrations and oral questioning. Laboratory is to your left and canteen is outside. Once we start, you cannot leave unless there's an emergency. If you have a health conditions, religious practices, or medications that require adjustment, tell me now. And if you have difficulty with English, I can translate it. Unwell or accident happens, call my attention. First aid is on the right side of the workshop. Once the assessment starts, no more questions will be entertained. Your result will be confidential. Once TESDA and your training institutions will know, you may appeal in writing to the assessment center manager while still here. If competent, NC2 will be emailed to your Gmail within 24 hours. If not yet competent, you may retake anytime. After 2 failures, refresher course is required. Okay, I will now assign candidate number 1 and candidate number 2. Proceed to your workstation and read the task instructions. Ask questions now. Once you start, I will not answer further. Is there any question? We begin. Candidate number 1 will prepare the produce bakery products, and candidate number 2 will prepare and present first, third, and fifth. Time is up. 4 hours na po. Tapos, you may sit down. Oral interview na tayo. I will first do we let blood flow rise before waking? And how do you know that you can feel it straight? Indicator number 1 is wait outside the feedback. Hand rate number 2 is Manila. What causes, good morning po. What causes collapse in a systole, and why is it important to measure ingredients properly in baby? Thank you. Candidate number 2 is with outside for feedback. Okay, we'll call candidate number 1 for feedbacking. Candidate number 2, Manila. Oh, not again. And how did you assess it? Read your best, but your solos or were undertook and your Swiss rules performed well. With more practices, you can pass next time. You are not yet competent, but design the rating sheets and competency assessment result summary. Very much.
Ano po nagka...
ID.
So, I remain.
ID.
Pwede man po siya mag-diretso, ano po?
Apo.
Ano yan? Ano yan, oral interview, tapos yung doctorate. Pwede din siya.
Hindi na po siya
Para
maano.
din siya makakalit naman. Po, and then, pero makakandidate. Pero mo.
Rating sheets and
Rating sheets.
Okay. Before mag-pick up in matter.
Hindi. Pagkatapos, alam mo yung result. Alam mo lang si result ko. Si result. And then, si rating sheet, papirma, tapos si cash papirma. Tapos mapirma din yung first. Then, memorize lang po kami yung tapos bawasan na yung sa para and then sa actually ko po, mag-set yung oras. Kasi, time, ano po, sige, start na tayo ganitong oras. And then from time to time, check siya. Last 5 minutes, para kumbaga, actual na sinabi sila. And then dapat may props. Kung ano yung bunot, ito ba yung nalagay po?
Product po.
Yung mga nasa
So, kami, sir, to sa
Props po siya, ano?
Pag during the assessment po, sir, sunod-sunod po siya.
Diretso po.
Diretso na hanggang hindi lang
Last
po
year.
sa kabila.
Opo.
Isang
Ano doon?
Passing.
May cookie sir. Right after the may cookie
Kasi dalawang ano yan eh, pwede maghati yung assessor. Isa ay papakanda, isa lang papapasilito. Ako nag-protection.
Pwedeng diretso pwede.
Pero sa sarong ano, diretso yan.
Mm-mm.
Matapos lang. Yan po, so okay na si script, kasi may script ano. Bawas na lang si mga lead. Kumbaga, si Kevin lang duman, and then duman sa, ano ba si, ilang oras ba si demo, ilang oras ba si, bayo kang rate lang.
And then po sir, yung mga forms po, ang space po ng mechanism talaga siyang space and
Kasi ang set up po kang, ano, based doon sa assessment quiz. Dapat may dalawa dyan, candidate, tapos si assessor. Tapos ikot lang, ano ba waiting area, kasi para pag-apod sa para sa
Pero may sabay.
Ano po?